Hey there, foodies! Today, we are diving into a dish that's the epitome of sweet and savory perfection: honey garlic chicken bites. These little bites are like flavor bombs exploding in your mouth. I'm your quirky quest, and I'm thrilled to guide you through this recipe that's bound to become a favorite. But before we get started, let's look at what you'll need. 1.5 pound, 680 grams, chicken breasts, chopped into bite-sized pieces. 1/4 cup cornstarch. 1/4 teaspoon red pepper flakes. 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder. 1/4 teaspoon salt and pepper. 2 tablespoons butter. 5-6 cloves garlic, crushed or minced. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 1/4 cup honey. 2 tablespoons lemon juice. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 1 tablespoon hot sauce or sriracha. 1 sprig of spring onions, chopped, for garnishing. Pat down chicken with paper towel. In a large bowl, combine the chicken, cornstarch, red pepper flakes, garlic powder, salt and pepper. Stir to combine. Melt 2 tablespoons butter in a large heavy-duty pan over medium-high heat. Add chicken to the pan and cook for 3-4 minutes on each side or until cooked through. In a small bowl, whisk together the garlic, olive oil, honey, lemon juice, soy sauce, and hot sauce. Pour the prepared sauce over the chicken and cook another 4-5 minutes or until the sauce has thickened and the chicken is cooked through. The longer you cook it, the stickier and thicker the sauce will become. Sprinkle the spring onions and serve over rice, or pasta, or with veggies. And there you have it. Your honey garlic chicken bites are ready to be devoured. Thanks for joining us on this flavor-packed journey. If you enjoyed this honey garlic chicken bites recipe, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more mouth-watering recipes. Whether it's a party snack or a weeknight treat, these bites are a guaranteed hit. Enjoy your meal, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!